Aspen and I are super excited because we finally got our air purifier, and we're very happy because with all the things happening, all the dust, all the different particles that are in the air, the color we got is this really pretty blue one, and it's so pretty. It's like baby blue. It's very light, but this is so cute, and it's very light too. So here we have the air purifier on, plugged in, and ready to go. I'm gonna tilt it here so you guys can see. We have the on and off button here. That's on automatic, and it's gonna show you the different speeds. It's gonna have the sleep mode, the light off, so if you're asleep and you do not want the light turned on, you can just on or off. The child lock, you just hold it, and now it's locked. And then you hold it again, and it's unlocked. We can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, or just have it on the whole time, preferably unplug from the back. Here, we're just going to open, and then we're just gonna lock it again to have it plugged in and turned on. I'm so happy this came in, because again, it's so important that we're breathing fresh air, and this is going to be super helpful for that.